Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in to both services. Log into Facebook in one tab and Gmail in another to avoid session confusion. Once done, confirm the email address on Facebook matches the Gmail address you want to connect, because matching addresses avoid verification loops. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready. It adds a verification step when Facebook requests permission. Also, clear any stale sessions or VPNs that might block permission screens, so the next you navigate to Facebook settings and find Contact Import or Apps and Websites. This is where Facebook asks for access. Next, choose Google as the source and follow the OAuth prompt to grant permission. This step shares contacts, not full account control. When the Google consent screen appears, read the scopes and pick only the contact groups you need, then allow access. Once permitted, Facebook will import or link those addresses. Make sure to monitor progress indicators before moving on. You finish by verifying that Gmail contacts show up on Facebook where expected. Check several entries to ensure emails and names matched correctly. If everything looks right, adjust sync frequency or delete duplicates in Google Contacts to keep things tidy. If something fails, revoke Facebook access in your Google account and reauthorize. Alternatively, try an incognito window, enable cookies, or temporarily disable extensions that block pop-ups. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun the OAuth flow after clearing cached credentials to resolve most permission errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.